What's up guys, I'm Silwolf and today we're going to be looking at Bestie Time with DJ Furby. Also a big shout out to, I don't know how to pronounce your name, I do apologise, OrZX1. If I've got your name right, hooray. If I haven't, I'm really sorry, but I hope you know who you are. So Andrea Ball said a few things to do with the Furby when you've got it in Bestie Time, and weirdly it never occurred to me to actually have a play around with the Furby when I wasn't playing games with it, you know, to just explore, like treating it like a pet, you know, caring for it. So this is what Andrea had to say. If you feed the Furby 5 times in quick succession with your finger, it will say it's full. Ask for a belly rub. Of course, it burps or farts. If you want to pet Furby, you can press the belly sensors in Bestie Time and he will say all kinds of affectionate things like Furby, hug, cure everything. I like to put Furby with his belly facing away from me with his head on my shoulder and pet his belly. You can also lay him down like we do in party games and he'll purr like a cat. Also, Andrea experimented with playing with the 2023 Furby's dance music for DJ Furby in Glowbeat, and he responds to music on Alexa, especially fast songs. So I don't have Alexa. I have a few songs, but of course I have to use ones that YouTube will allow me to. Can't use copyrighted songs. So I won't be doing the song thing today, but I'm going to have a little go with all the other things that you can do with Furby. And I've been meaning to do this for ages, and I've only just sort of like got round to it. So we'll start up DJ Furby and have a look at how you can care for Furby in Bestie Time.
New day, new Furby.
So we're going to do the feeding first.
Well, pumpernickel pickle juice. Ooh, now I gotta try this. Compliment to chef. Pickleball paddle. Ooh, it's too much. Belly rub, please. I feel much better.
Was it necessarily good food? I don't know. I mean, normally I burp after eating food, but if you fart, you kind of have to worry a little bit about what you've eaten.
Taught Furblets everything Furblets knows.
So if you want to pet Furby in Bestie Time,
I like and subscribe.
so just do that.
As if to hear a joke.
Furby's very ticklish. And the lights actually change colour as well.
Furby only go to party in stretch limo.
So if you
Just a couple of Ditos talking it out.
you can see that I was petting Furby on his back, and he laughs because it tickles him. But if you do it on his side, he doesn't react quite as much. Or he still is laughing. He wasn't doing it before. It changes the lights.
Wiki. Word to the Furbs.
So when you pet Furby and it's on its back, it laughs. It seems to laugh at any given opportunity, actually. But the lights also change colour
Time already.
as you stroke Furby. So they'll all change to a different colour as you stroke, which is neat. You press them.
Fart piano. Press Furby front foot to play.
So I'm trying
Doing the Furbot. Beep, bop,
to
beep,
press
bop,
each
boop,
one.
beep, beep, beep.
She says cute things.
Unai got a backstage pass to Carhartt.
Oh, there we go. There's a cute thing. trying to make all the lights the same colour.
Unai Furby is giving.
Pink.
Furby, so Furbalicious. It's the ha-ha game.
It is registering that you're stroking it.
Ooh, say again, but sing instead.
Lay him down and he will purr like a cat. Well, I haven't got him to purr yet.
Is hot dog sandwich? Wait, is Furby hot dog? No fair. Longer belly mean more tickles.
He very much likes to be tickled, or laughs when he's tickled. I'm doing it a bit slower now.
Did Unai know Furby's second cousin is Space Otter?
I do like how they change colour.
Ooh, Furby's so fancy.
See, they've all gone to orange. Now yellow. Green.
Great grand Furby sound like dee-dee-to-to, me-la-dee-do.
I wonder if he was trying to emulate a 90s Furby there.
To learn Furbish, press Furby front foot.
I'm going to just try something. Oh, he's purred. Okay. I wonder what happens if you stroke his back. Probably nothing. No.
Bring Una wackiest Nula to the party.
I did get him to purr though, so that's good. But that was only when I tilted him back again.
Auto toot.
Anyway, this has just basically been me stroking a Furby's belly. So, yeah, so I've got him to do a few of the things. The purring thing was cute.
Playlist for Unai. Love songs.
And he does come out with some affectionate little things as well. I think the only real... I don't think the belly's a touch sensor, I don't know. It's just really... I mean, the belly here, not obviously there.
Right, Bestie?
So, yeah. So we've had a little go with him. I probably have to, like, hold him or something. So
Interesting.
it's hard to do that in a video. So I just tend to sort of, like, have him there. But if I actually hold him, he'd probably respond better. I don't know if they've actually got, like, a tilt sensor. If he knows he's being held.
Press Furby front foot to play.
So, oh, that's the fart piano, isn't it?
Ooh, press Cowbelly for big surprise.
Someone actually said, do the fart piano, so. Wow, that was like a foghorn. Oh my god. I'm glad that Furby farts don't actually smell, because there would be a lot of green air in this room right now if they did. So that was a fart piano. Yeah, someone actually said, oh, do the fart piano. So there you go. I've actually managed to do it in this video. Not intended, but there you go. He wanted to do it, so we did it. So that was DJ Furby in Bestie Time. So I hope you enjoyed it. yeah, I find that it seems to be the sort of, you know, thing that you'd experiment with and just stroke and stuff in different ways and find new things to sort of like do and new reactions that it does. So that makes it more fun because you never know what you're going to get. I found out that a lot of these toys and things, they get kind of predictable after a while. And yes, there is scope for it to become predictable, but they have put in enough sort of like...
Great Grand Furby didn't even have cell phones.
there is... I can't remember what I was saying. That completely put me off now. Yeah. Never mind. They put enough audio in it that it has more entertainment value, I suppose. Anyway, if you want to see more videos of these guys, you can click the boxes that come up below. If you enjoy what I do and want to send me a tip on Ko-fi, it's all very welcome. Link is in the description. So that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver signing off.